Right after a car accident, most people make at least one mistake that can cost them thousands or delay their claim. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly what to do, step by step, so you protect yourself, your vehicle, and your insurance claim. If you're new here, this channel breaks down insurance in plain language so you can make informed decisions, not just cheaper ones. This is general insurance guidance. Specific rules and coverages vary by state and by policy, so always verify with your insurer. First priority, safety. Check yourself and passengers for injuries. If possible, move vehicles out of traffic. Turn on hazard lights. If there are injuries or you're unsure, call 911 immediately. Everything else can wait. Safety comes first. In many situations, calling the police is either required or strongly recommended. For example, injuries, or significant vehicle damage, or disputes about fault. A police report creates an official record, which can be critical for your claim. Common mistake. People skip this step to save time, and later struggle to prove what happened. Step 3. Document everything. This step directly affects how smoothly your claim goes. Take clear photos of all vehicles involved, license plates, damage from multiple angles, road conditions, traffic signs, weather. Collect information, driver's name and contact info, insurance company and policy number, driver's license. If there are witnesses, get their contact information as well. Important, do not admit fault. Even saying I'm sorry can be interpreted incorrectly later. Stick to facts only. Report the accident to your insurance company as soon as reasonably possible. Provide time and location, description of what happened, photos, and documentation. You don't need every detail immediately, but delays can complicate your claim. After you file the claim, an adjuster will evaluate the damage. You'll typically have options for repair shops, but this can vary depending on your insurer and policy. The repair estimate, deductible, and coverage limits will determine how much is paid. If your car is not drivable, you may need a rental. It's covered only if you have rental reimbursement coverage. Otherwise, it's out of pocket. Also remember, your deductible applies before your coverage pays. Common mistakes to avoid: not taking photos, admitting fault at the scene, delaying the claim, assuming everything is covered. If it's not in your policy, it's not covered. Most people don't review their policy until after an accident, and that's when it's too late. If you're not sure what your policy would actually cover in a situation like this, review your declarations page carefully. Or have a professional walk you through it so you can identify gaps before they turn into real costs. Because the goal isn't just having insurance, it's having the right protection when it matters. If you're watching this and thinking, I'm not actually sure what my policy covers, that's your sign to find out now, not after something happens. At Evertrust, that's exactly what we do. We sit down with you, walk through your coverage, and make sure you're not carrying gaps you don't even know about. So, if you want a real conversation about your protection, not a sales pitch, just straight answers, here's how to reach us. Call or text us directly. The number is in the description below. Visit our website, also linked below, where you can learn more about what we offer and request a review. Or just DM us or drop a comment right here. We read every one, and we're happy to point you in the right direction, even if it's just a quick question. And if this video helped you, share it with someone who drives, because everybody needs to know this before it happens to them. I'm Alfred with Evertrust, and we'll see you in the next one.